I don't think people understand how therapeutic it is to just be out in nature, isn't it? And just soak up fresh air. It's when you're there country, fresh air, brother. Soak you. A whole heap of you call it apple tree sucker they both in. See a banana where the storm they tear down some of them banana tree there. But see the young sucker them a come back there. You know? When the things say dead, things can still come back to life, brother. And the last time I circle, the apple sitting them did have the blossoms. Now they are showing signs of being apples. So the apple tree I got load up in a couple months. When me did younger, but it just love to see like the banana shoot. I don't know what about it, but it is just fun to see. Mosquito back away. Okay, one shoot right there. So. I think we have another one over there. That is also well. This is a shootout properly. It's a shootout, and the one there right there, so it's very good. This is a shoot. We have bumpy banana right there, so bumpy banana palm tree. Oh, and next one a shoot. A shooting time now for banana. I better watch out for when I get shot. We have some more bumpy also. Probably some more right. But the bird, they might eat them already. This time I come here, I did a show now. The banana tree there with the little bumpy them bunny. I can show you where bumpy them turn here now. Bumpy them, they are fit. It's all show now. So the last time I come here, I did a show on how the apple them are developed. Now that I'm back, look at that. Look at those 3 buttes. I'm gonna pick them right now. I'm bringing a couple of them home for my little daughter. We got one about that near me to it now. But now I left that one there, I'm sorry here, bud. Look at it, man. The yard there is so fruitful, brother. Every single thing grow here. I'm going to plant up a couple fruit trees myself, and I'm going to drop a lychee tree by the place. Couple coconut tree. There's some nice fruit trees, brother, we can spring up in a no time and bring forth some fruit. If me not gonna eat it, it a go there about for my daughter and PR pitney them mashed up. Yeah, very fruitful. The soil is rich, man. This is from the banana tree when I showed you last time. So the clip, I'm probably showing you the clip. It's like banana. They're not fully ripe, they're fit. They need a little bit more time. A bumpy banana. Not because you see them yellow, that means they ain't ripe. Yeah. You have to wait a little bit and then we start soften up and easy to come off, I think, then you know. You get a deeper shade of yellow. You know, so you're ready. But this is it, man. Report. Dems is getting bigger, man. Dems is getting bigger. Dems is all over, man. Dems is getting real big. But I could have come find some ripe one again, but I guess there is none this time. I have to just relax. But them are grow virgin, so in the next 2 or 3 weeks, maybe we have fruit can eat. But, there was one, As a matter of fact, there is 2. See the other one somewhere over there, so. See it right there, so? Yeah, man, I'm gonna get them. Victims 1 and 2. Give thanks, Once more again. Last time I see me with them. And Kerry give me that and she never eat. She never eat it half. Partly because, she just started it and then me put it in the fridge and then forget. But I just blame them now. My next opportunity right there, so I'm going to look if I'm not going nowhere. Can't really so I'll go and punish it. It is so dense with leaves. This is like green apples, but now see the ripe one, them at all. I'm in Jamaica in the 3 teeth in apple. Where are you? Is where you is there? Is you thieving apple? No, you is not. Left your country and come to Jamaica, come thief apple. Proto J said it best, you know? Man say fruit they are country, just a drop off a tree them. You see say poverty not real then? This is the life. This is the life. Yes, Rasta. I think my daughter will have a grand time blamming through these with me. Give thanks. I can just make some apple juice in. Whichever way, life is good.